So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download motherboard Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come on this website, which is www.gigabyte.com, and this is search button, and then type your motherboard model number B60M Eagle Wi-Fi 6 V2, and then hit enter. Click to product, then click on model number of motherboard. Then guys, click to support. Select your operating system. Okay, Windows 10 and 11. If you have Windows 10, so you can follow this video and install the driver, because installation driver is same. So now audio driver first, you can click to download here. When you click to download, automatically start downloading. You can see here. Then you can see guys, 165 size 160 audio driver, Realtek audio. Just single open this, and this is extracted driver, so that's why it is not click. You have to just double click it, otherwise to you extract to a specific folder and you can install, otherwise you can install directly. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting to your system for the installation. So now it is installing. Then it is completed. After that, close it.